बुशू मेळपाक बुशू हांव बुशू एक्चुली मेळपाक आसलो आनी आमकां प्लॅन जाल्लो कित्याक तेगे आज मूड बरो ना ते आज भरपूर मुडी आहा कित्याक तेगे डेज चालू आहाय डेज म्हळ्यार तुमकां जाणा आसतलें पिरियड्स आनी सो तें जाय आसलें की हांवें तें कामाचें सुट्टाचो तो तेका मेळपाक येवपाक बट आतां लास्ट मोमेंटार तेका सांगिल्लें की हांव तेका मेळपाक येवपा ना हांव म्हज्या फ्रेंडाक मेळपाक वयता आनी तें भरपूर रागार जालें रागार म्हळ्यार तें मातशें मोडी जालें इमोशनल जालें की तूं आपणा मेळपाक येवपा आसलो आनी आपण मेळपाक येना आनी तें खबर ना की एक्चुली हांव तेका मेळपाक वयता सो तेका डिरेक्टली वचून हांव सरप्रायज दितलो आनी तो सरप्रायज बरो जावपा आहा तेगे रिएक्शन चयतलो कितें आहा तें आनी चोया कितें जाता तें व्लॉग कंटिन्यू करया ओके सो मातशें स्लायट चेंज जालो एक्चुली तुमकां दाखोवपा आसलो तेका स्टेशनाचेर बट तेका मेळ्ळें आनी मागीर तेगे सरप्रायज जालो आनी तें मागीर मातशें हॅप्पी जालें म्हाका चोयन आनी तितून मदें हयसरलो ना की हांवें व्हिडियो काडलो म्हूण बसी आनी अशें आमगे मास्टर जी हाव वॉज अ सरप्रायज आय टोल्ड देम इट वॉज अ सरप्रायज Babe, are you ready for the dum biryani?
I'm hungry now. I didn't eat the whole day. Now
I will eat mine and I will eat yours as well. It's okay, no? Babe, I will eat mine and yours as well. It's okay?
Yes, I finished my biryani and Eldon is still eating.
I don't know how you finished before me. But it's good to eat somebody else's biryani.
Today is my second day. We couldn't, after we had dinner last night, I just wanted to go home. I was getting terrible pain. I'm still getting pain. Like first and the second day is bad. The first day is the worst time, but I don't know, God was with me. I took a tablet, but it does take a lot of time for me. Usually I start throwing up, I start fainting. I was at work and then I was like, I took the tablet immediately when I got it, and then the whole day it was good. I did not feel I was having periods. Later on in the evening, it was terrible pain. Back was paining, feet was paining, head was paining, stomach was paining. I don't know what was happening. So yeah, then I went to sleep. I didn't want to vlog. Now I woke up and I'm still with my water bag. This is my water bag. It's really nice because it gives you a little bit of comfort. It gives you a lot of comfort. It's not like the regular bag, no. Just put it and that's it, because I put a bag inside. I had got this from Primark, and yeah, so now Eldon is going to come, and I'm pretty excited that he's coming and he's there during these days. Like, I always need somebody around me, like either talking to me or, you know, just being around me. I don't know, otherwise I get way too emotional.
पियाव सगलो हांवें कातोला कळ्ळें तुका आनी हेणें कातरो लायलो म्हाका पियाव पूण ते पियाव पाटी म्हाका तें ग्रीन टी कोता चोयी This is the green tea that I'm going to drink. She says it's very...
This is given to me by Christina. Okay, so because I don't like green tea, so she gave me this one which has mango and passion fruit, and it's really nice. And I know his taste, so I know he's going to like it. Like... When I get my periods, the first and the second day are always tough and difficult for me to deal with because I be in terrible pain. But they really made an effort to make me feel okay and make me smile and be there for me. I'm grateful to have them in my life and feel really blessed to have such an amazing people and such amazing friends in my life. Thank you guys for watching my video. Do subscribe, like and share, and comment down below.